are you a fresher and starting up with your first job or your first internship ever in office? Then these things that you need to keep in mind anyhow, क्योंकि अगर आपने ये सारी चीज़ें ओवर शेयर कर दी और ये सारी चीज़ें जो मैं अभी आपको वीडियो में बताने वाली हूँ आपने अपने ऑफिस में कर दिया, देन इट्स गोना बी हेल और आपकी फर्स्ट जॉब आपके लिए ब्लंडर बनने वाली है. सो मैं आपको डरा नहीं रही हूँ, बट यू नीड टू सी दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड to not do things which are not recommended in office. Okay, so the first point is your salary. So never disclose your salary to anyone in your office, like whether you're so much close friend or whether any of the employee, your senior, anyone, never disclose your salary. Only and only to your HR. So only the HR and only the director of the company is the one who knows your salary. Except them, no one knows your salary. So never disclose your salary to others in your office. Now why I'm saying this? Now suppose someone asks you that, Radhika, what is your salary? Now when you answer this question, there are going to be two things. First, या तो सामने वाले की जो जेलेसी होगी बिकॉज हो सकता है उसकी सैलरी आपसे कम हो एंड इट विल टर्न आउट टू गॉसिप्स एंड ऑल, या फिर हो सकता है कि आपको खुद ही अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट लगे क्योंकि आपकी सैलरी बाकियों से कम है. सो इट्स वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू नेवर शेयर योर सैलरी in the office. Number 2 is your future job plans. Now never ever tell your future job plans and your future planning to change the job or anything like that to your colleagues. Okay, now what happen if you do this? So guys, if you do this, then अगर कोई भी important project होगा ऑफिस में तो आपको कोई भी मौका नहीं दिया जाएगा बिकॉज इट विल टर्न इनटू गॉसिप्स. और अगर ये बात आपके बॉस तक चली गई या फिर आपके किसी टीम लीडर किसी सीनियर तक चली गई तो वो कभी भी आपको किसी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोजेक्ट में हिस्सा नहीं देंगे. और अगर आने वाले टाइम में कोई प्रमोशन हो रहा होगा तो वो आपका प्रमोशन भी रोक देंगे. सो इट्स बेटर दैट यू नेवर टेल योर फ्यूचर जॉब प्लान्स और यू नो एनीथिंग दैट यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ स्विचिंग द जॉब. इस तरह की बातें यू डो नॉट नीड टू शेयर विद एनी ऑफ योर ऑफिस कलीग. सो इट्स बेटर कि अगर इम्पॉर्टेंट है so you only share this thing with the HR and only when you like it is completely decided that you're going to change the company and you just need to serve the notice period right now. So in that case only you need to share this, otherwise never share this also with the HR as well. Third point is your commute or let's say your location from the office. So if you are staying quite nearby to the office, never tell that I am just 5 minutes or 10 minutes away from the office. Like if someone asks you ki, from where are you living and how much time it takes to come to the office, and you just say ki it just take me 10 minutes to come to the office. Never ever say like that, क्योंकि अगर कोई भी लास्ट मिनट इमरजेंसी होगी या फिर कोई बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट काम होगा तो you will always be expected to come early to the office and also leave the office late at nights. कोई भी इमरजेंसी आ गई, कोई भी लेट नाइट इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोजेक्ट आ गया तो आपको हमेशा एक्सपेक्ट करा जाएगा कि ये आ जाए, ये जल्दी आ जाए, फिर ये लेट चला जाए क्योंकि इसके घर से तो सिर्फ 10 मिनट का रास्ता है, इसको तो पास पड़ जाएगा. सो नेवर एवर शेयर दिस. नाउ व्हाट इफ समवन आस्क यू दैट where do you stay and where is the location? So always you can give a decent reply that I have a manageable commute, so my home is not so far and it is not so close as well, so I take much decent time to come to the office. And never tell that you are just 10 minutes or 5 minutes away from the office. Never do that. And also in the case of salary, if someone asks you that what is your salary, you can just say that my salary is as much my expectation and I am happy with that. You do not need to reveal your exact salary to anyone in the office except the director and the HR. Now number 4 is your side income or any kind of passive income if you are earning from them. So अगर आपकी कोई भी साइड इनकम है या पैसिव इनकम है और कोई भी साइड हसल है जो आप अभी कर रहे हो, so never disclose that side hustle to in your office to your colleagues. Never do that because that is going to be a big mistake for you in the future. Now why I am saying this, that you do not need to share your side hustle with your colleagues and your company. So see, in case of the employer and your director of the company, they can might think that it is a distraction for you and you will not focus on your job as you also need to work on your side hustles. So this could be one of the reasons. And another reason that might be jealousy, because in corporate life jealousy is very common. So it is very very important that you do not share your side hustle or any kind of side income with your colleagues, because it may be also possible that they snatch your idea and they just copy you. So you might not like that. And also in some of the companies there is a very very strict policy against side hustles, like any side businesses. Some of the companies do not allow any side businesses when you're working with them. So also you need to go through with the policy of the company. So number 6, your personal struggles and your personal problems and personal issues or any issues in the family which is going on. So first of all, I would like to tell you this, that no one is interested, like seriously no one is interested knowing your personal struggles. Today's sympathy can turn out to tomorrow's gossip. So it's better that you do not overshare everything at the office, बिकॉज लाइक अभी तो वो आपको सिंपैथी दे रहे होंगे, आपको समझ रहे होंगे, बट बाद में ही आपके पीठ पीछे वो इसके बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. सो इट्स बेटर दैट यू नेवर शेयर और ओवर शेयर एनी थिंग विद योर कलीग्स एंड विद योर side with your office friends. Also if it's very very important and it is disturbing your work, then you can only, I'm saying only and only, you can go and talk with the HR. Now the 7th point is gossiping about your boss, and this is very very important. Lunch time pe you all are sitting and you are just gossiping about your seniors and your boss. आपको स्टार्टिंग में ये बहुत ज़्यादा रिलीफिंग और बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा होगा, रिफ्रेशिंग लग रहा होगा. यू नेवर नो दैट विच पर्सन इज़ थिंकिंग व्हाट, और वो कल को जाके आपके बॉस को क्या बता दे, क्योंकि चुगलीखोर लोग बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. सो हियर आई वुड रियली एडवाइस यू कि अगर ऑफिस में कोई भी पर्सन है जो आपको नहीं पसंद बेसिकली, सो यू जस्ट कीप इट टू योर सेल्फ, जस्ट कीप इट टू योर सेल्फ एंड नेवर शेयर दिस विद योर कलीग्स, ऑफिस कलीग्स, बिकॉज आपको नहीं पता कि कौन किसके साथ लॉयल है और कौन किसको जाके क्या बता दे. तो आज आप जो शेयर कर रहे हो कल आपके लिए ब्लंडर बन सकता है. नंबर 8 इज अ डेटिंग लाइफ. नाउ दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट टिप दैट आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू राइट नाउ. Never ever share your dating life or your problems or your issues in the dating life with your office colleagues. So this is very much important, because one reason, they will think that you are unprofessional, and if this thing goes with your boss, then they might think that you are distracted from your work or something like that. So it's better that you keep things private as much as possible. And if someone asks you about that, you can just say that I would like to keep my work and my personal life private. Also, always talk about the work life balance. And if you do not do that, then you will be having a lot of work in the next few days, because people might think that he is okay with doing overtime and everything. So it's important that you always talk about work life balance in your office. Now the 8th point which I would like to talk is about your secrets to work. If there is a project and you're working on the project and you have some important and secret shortcuts to do that project in small period of time or comparatively lesser time than your colleagues, then never, I tell you, never ever share that secrets with your colleagues. Because why I'm saying this, number 1, that they might take credit of that. Number 2, they might feel jealous. Number 3 is that if your employer gets to know about it, he might give you more and more work. And because when your senior is knowing that you can do this work at a shorter period of time, like you have some shortcuts, then they will provide you with more and more work. So it's important that you do not share your secrets to work with your colleagues. Also, like here I would like to add one point, that obviously you can help your colleagues, but never share your that secret, that how you're able to do the things really fast. Never share that. So guys, this was some of the most important tips that you should follow when you are starting up with the first job. So some of the mistakes I have made in my first job, and some of the mistakes is from my friends, and I would really appreciate that you listen to this video to the full and you do not do this mistake, because this mistake will gonna make your first job blunder, and I'm very very serious about this. Now you can just drop out your experiences in the comment section. Also stay limited, and do not overshare in the comment section as well. Okay guys, so this is all for today, and let us meet up in the next video. So for the time, you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can go and visit my Instagram handle, which I have recently started, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video to someone who need this on urgent basis. Okay, so signing off for today. Let's meet up in the next video. Bye bye. Radhe Radhe.